Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will speak about how to make flowchart. So nice diagram, as you can see on my screen, and how to make it. I will say to you that you must use Latex, and this flowchart is created with using Tikz package, or you can use PGF package, but I will show you how to create it with a Tikz package. So as you can see, I'm using Tikz libraries, shapes, geometric arrows. So, and after you see something like Tikz style. This Tikz style is something what you must decide if it will start. It will be lila. If step 1, step 3, it will be, for example, pink or green. So in this section, you can decide how it will be big, small, and something like this. If it will be rectangle or diamond, or it will be something, I don't know what you like. After, you must begin your document as usually you make all the time. You can put there your sections, subsections, all what you need, and after you can create your simple flow chart. So as you can see, after you can create this as, for example, begin text picture. It means I just put node distance 2.5 centimeter, and you can see how I've designed it. And you must use nodes, and you must define rows. These nodes of this flowchart, it means it will show you the start. It will be step 1, step 2, and decision, yes or not, and something like this. And another side, there are arrows, and these arrows they are connected these nodes using how I say to it, it's something which is how it will be connected. Okay, so you can, if you are not understand me, please read the documentation, and where is in official documentation it's all explained. So I just wanted to say to you that you can create something with Latex like flowchart, and how you can put it together and how it can look like. So please subscribe my channel, give me a like, and see you next time. Bye.